Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how you can remove unnecessary images from your WordPress blog. As you all know that images are the main contributor for your website being very slow. So in this video I'm going to show you a trick with the help of which you can remove all the extra images from your blog, and after that your blog will be a bit faster. So let me show you how to do that. So let me go to Chrome and go to my WordPress dashboard. Please make a note that by removing the extra images you'll get some more disk space, but in terms of speed you won't see a much difference, but still there will be a bit of improvement. So let me go to media and let me go to library. Here you can see all the images that is there in this blog. If you go to uploaded to, so you can see here it is attached to home. Here you can see this is not attached to anything. So there are many images which are not tied to any post or any page. So those are all extra images which I can delete. Now there are two options. You can delete one by one like this, or else you can go to the folder directory and from there you can delete those. So since I'm using this local host, so it's in my local computer, so I can simply go to the Explorer. I can go to the link, we can go to content, we can go to upload, and from here you can remove the images. But that is not safe, because if you remove any images and that is tied to any post, then that is a problem, right? But if you want to remove all the images which are unnecessary, that you can remove from WordPress dashboard by a single click. So for that reason, let me go to filter and go for unattached and click on filter. So here now it is showing all the images which are not tied to any post or any page. I can simply click here and delete. So it will take a bit of time based on how many images you want to delete. All right, now you can go to the next page and again delete. Like this, in a couple of seconds you can remove all the extra images which are not required for your blog. So that's all guys in this video. Hope you got some idea how to delete extra images from your blog. And if you have some comment, if you have some suggestion, then please write in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply you. Thanks for watching.